Hi guys, grade 9A and 9B. Today we are going to go for algebra. It would be easier than geometry. Already the pacing chart, the updated pacing chart, it's uploaded on the portal and it's in your group. Today we are going for chapter 5.1, page 173, 174. It's algebra. Today our chapter is very easy. It's about simplify. For example, if we have 25 out of 15 divided by 3, divide by 3, by 3, divide by 5, divide by 5. It would be 5 out of 3. This is the simplest way. Look, 25 divide by 15, divide by 3, divide by 3. Guys, down I can divide by 3, but up I can't divide by 3. So it's not possible to divide up by a number and down by a number. You should divide by the same number in the numerator and in the denominator. Type. What if we have variables, for example, 2x out of x? There is a condition, you have to know it, that denominator is impossible to be 0. You will always have this condition. As simple as it, we can simplify x by x, so the answer is 2 by 1 equals 2. This is a simple form. A simple form. That's the simplest form. Another example. What if we have this example, 3x squared out of 6xy? Let's start by numbers. If I divide by 3 here, I will get 1. If I divide by 3 here, I will get 2. Now, I have x power 2, so I have 2x times x and 1x. I cancel this with that. So the rest up is x out of 2. I have nothing up for y. So this is the answer. Let me just double check. 3 over 6, 1 over 2. Yes, you can put 1 here or you can leave it, no problem. Okay, that's it. This is a very important step. Have a look here, guys. X plus x over plus 2 over x plus 2. Guys, here it would be 2x plus 2 over x plus 2. Some students, they might directly cancel 2 with 2 and x with x, so the answer is 2 plus 1 out 1 plus 1. This is not possible. To simplify, it should be a kind of a product. It's impossible to simplify if you have a plus between them. It's accepted in one case. We will see it in the next part. If you simplify from the 3 parts, at the end, it's a product work. This is the product work. If I have this, guys, x plus 2 over 2x plus 4. Here, I can't simplify because I have a plus. Look what I'm going to do. Equals x plus 2, keep the denominator as it. Out of, if I take common 2 out of this, this is 2 times x plus 2 times 2, because it's 4. If I take 2 as a common, the rest is x plus 2. So the rest here is x plus 2. Now I have multiplication. This is a part, guys. This is a part and that's a part. This is a factor and that's a factor. And I have up x plus 2. Now it's easy for me to cancel because I have multiplication or a product. It's 1 over 2. Let's take another example. I'm going to leave it for 10 seconds. Now, another example. Okay. 5x plus 3 out of 3. Can I simplify this with that? No, because I have a plus. This will stay as it. 5x plus 3 out of 3. That's the simplest form of the simplification. One more example. Here I'm going to do this question in two different ways. 2x plus 4 out of 2. This is the first way, that's the second way. Up, I will take 2 as a common. 2 bracket x plus 2 out of 2. This is a factor, that's a factor. Product, this is a factor, that's a factor. So, cancel 2 with 2. The answer is x plus 2. Here, look at this way, guys. You can do it. It's not necessary, but you can do it. I can simplify from the 3 parts. This is by 2. By 2, by 2. At the same time, from the 3 parts. So, the answer here is x plus 2 out of 1, which is x plus 2. I got the same answer here and there. Now, we are going to the last part of this explanation. It's a short part of the chapter, and you will have an easy homework. The due date would be tomorrow. I'm going to write at the end of this video. Guys, if I have x squared plus 3x plus 2 out of x squared plus 6x plus 5. Here, some of the students might x squared, x with x. This is impossible. I have multiplication. That's impossible. What I'm going to do, I'm going to factorize up and down. Here, summon the product. That would be x plus 1 into x plus 2 out of x plus 1 into x plus 5. Now, I have 2 factors. This is a factor, and that's another factor. This is a factor, and that's another factor. It's easy for me now to simplify because it's a part of a product. It's a product, not addition now. Addition, it's inside the factor. So the final answer would be x plus 2 out of x plus 5. Always, guys, try to find a product or a common between them to simplify. Here, guys, a note, as I agreed before and as we agreed, the denominator is impossible to be equal to 0, but we can skip this condition because we are not related to do this. Now, your homework would be, I'm gonna leave them for 10 seconds to have a look, guys. Now, for the homework, it's an easy practice, guys. It doesn't need more than half an hour. Page 174, 175, exercise 1 and exercise 2, all of them. Due date is tomorrow. Due date is tomorrow. Let me just double check what is the date tomorrow. Tomorrow, April 13, 2020. Okay, guys, stay safe and study well. See you. Bye-bye.